Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. In this video, I'll share with you how to optimize your performance as a freelancer working from home. Stay tuned. Hi. This is Cheption Mutai, freelance and business. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. This is based on more than 7 years of experience freelancing online and running a small video production company in Nairobi, Kenya. I hope the information I'm going to share with you on this video will be of value to you. If you are here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, let's get into today's video. Every freelancer working from home always wakes up in the morning with one ultimate goal: to perform optimally and give their best in their work. When one is in a position to consistently perform flawlessly, they'll be more happier and fulfilled. So what will it take to achieve this, considering the conditions surrounding working from home? In order for one to start their journey to high performance, they have to first look at what led them to poor performance. In this video, I'll focus on 3 areas in life that presents long-term challenges while working from home. Unlike working in the office where you're able to interact with colleagues, working from home is lonely to many. It follows that the only place that freelancers interact with their collaborators is via video chat, call, email, or messaging apps. Creatives in the digital media space is one group of freelancers who go through moments of solitude as they build their brand. In order to succeed in these scenarios, freelancers have to take personal responsibility. As a freelancer, you are the captain of your ship. The first step is to set goals. Goals will motivate you to look forward to the next day with lots of enthusiasm. Your goals must be aligned to solving the solitude state that you're in currently. When you have goals set, you will feel more vibrant when working from home alone. 2. Prioritize family time. COVID-19 pandemic and hard times has proven to many that the only people that will stand with you when everyone is gone is your immediate family. Spend more time with them when not working and build a strong bond. Having a family is a blessing. 3. Build a mastermind. If you love traveling, hiking, or partying once a week, find responsible guys or fellow freelancers with the same hobbies. Plan to regularly meet and share. In order to achieve the best results on this, be wise in your approach and do it consistently. Use apps like Meetup or join social media groups to connect and kickstart your journey. 4. Start a relationship. This is for single freelancers. When working from home, meeting people physically is difficult. Be open to try different social media networks and dating platforms to meet new people. You just can never know. Your health is very important. Sitting the whole day in your chair while working can lead to severe health problems like back pain, eye irritation, neck pain, arm and wrist pain, and more. If these conditions are not diagnosed early, it may lead to serious damages to your body. In order to solve your health issues arising from sitting most of the time while working from home, keenly establish the root cause of your problem that you are having. Here is how I have diagnosed some of the problems. The first problem is back and arm pain. This is mostly caused by the chair that you're sitting on. According to spine-health.com, it's important to have an office chair that is ergonomic and that supports your lower back and promotes good posture to avoid developing or compounding back problems. You can innovate ways to achieve this by adding a cushion behind your chair to support your back and see how that goes. Second one is irritations on your eyes. This is mainly caused by refresh rate of your computer screen. I recommend that you acquire a modern monitor or computer that has been optimized for your eyes. It adjusts according to the environment that you're working in. Secondly, schedule breaks in between your workday of 10 to 20 minutes after 1 hour of sitting. This will help you relax your eyes from looking at the screen for a long time, besides getting little time to stretch and allow blood to flow uniformly through your body. 3. Body health. Lack of physical activity is the biggest cause of many health problems today. When you're working from home, your general health is at risk if you don't exercise. It is therefore good to have consistent schedule for exercising. You can do this from home, or you can choose to pay for membership in your nearest gym. Diet is directly linked to your health. Eating healthy therefore should be part of your ultimate goal. Sample different types of food to find the ones that you like. According to WHO, a healthy diet helps to protect against malnutrition in all forms, as well as non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. What you eat will determine how you feel all through the day. When working from home, there is a tendency to feed on snacks when on breaks. Most snacks nowadays contain a lot of sugar. It is therefore necessary that you moderate the amount of snacks that you take during the day. Of course, drinking a lot of water should come in here as part of your healthy diet. How you deal with solitude, health, and diet will determine your overall daily performance and success in your freelancing career. While your financial state is another accelerator to your well-being, the areas discussed above should come first. Finances tends to follow a happy and healthy freelancer. Healthy freelancer does more with less effort. Is there any other area that freelancers should focus on and thus optimize their performance and achieve more? Share your thoughts in the comments section below here. And if you guys have any more questions related to freelance and business, make sure you guys comment down below here again, and head over to my YouTube channel for more informative videos on the same. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. But most importantly, have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Chepchony Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Chepchony. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.